Okay, this is the first lesson in EDEXCEL IGCSE mathematics. So under that we are first going to discuss numbers part. Okay, so first we are going to look at how to simplify fractions. Right, a fraction has been simplified when the numerator and the denominator are expressed as whole numbers with no common factors. So that's the important thing. You have to simplify until both your numerator and the denominator have no common factors. Then you have the simplified form of the fraction, right? Okay. So let's see this process through some exercises, right? So let's look at exercise 1, part A, right? 15 over 45. We have to simplify this fraction. So cancel all the common factors. That's the process. So 15 you can write as what? 5 into 3. 45 we can write as what? 5 into 9, right? 5 into 9. So then we can cancel what? We can cancel 5 and 5. So then we are left with what? 3 over 9. Okay, this also we can cancel. Why? 9 can be written as 3 times 3, right? And 3 can be written as 3 times 1. So then once we cancel the common part, 3 and 3, what is left? 1 over 3. So this is the simplified form of 15 over 45. So find the common factors and cancel them out. Right. So then let's try the next one. 6 over 21. So factor 6. 6 can be written as what? 2 times 3. Then 21 can be written as what? 7 times 3, right? So then cancel the common parts. 3 and 3 we can cancel. What is left? 2 over 7. Are there any common factors between 2 and 7? No. So that is our answer, right? So let's do the next one. So next one is what? We have 16 over 24. 16 over 24. 16 over 24, right? So 16 can be written as what? 4 times 4. 24 can be written as what? 4 times 6. So I can cancel what? I can cancel 4 and 4. Then what is left? Then I am left with 4 over 6. This also I can simplify, no? 4 can be written as 2 times 2. 6 can be written as 2 times 3. Again, cancel the common parts. So you have to keep on cancelling until you are left with no common factors between numerator and the denominator. So what's the simplified form? 2 over 3, right? Okay, then let's look at the next one, right? Next one is what? 14 over 21. 14 over 21. So 14 can be written as what? 2 times 7. And 21 is also a fact, what? Multiple of 7. What is that? 3 times 7, right? So then, right, cancel the common part, 7, right? So what is left? 2 over 3, right? This we can't factor anymore. So this is the simplified form, right? Then let's look at the next one. Okay, 105 over 165. 105 over 165. Right. So both of them can be divided by 5. No? So we'll write them as factors of 5. So 105 is what? 5 into 21. 165 is what? 5 into 33. Right? 5 into 33. Right. So that part you can do it using a calculator. Figure it out by dividing 105 by 5. Right. So then you can cancel each 5. Then what is left? 21 over 33. Right. 21 over 33 is left. So then this can be written as what? 3 into 7. 21 is 3 into 7. 33 is what? 3 into 11. 3 into 11. So then you can again do what? You can again cancel 3. So then what is left? 7 over 11. Right. That is the simplified form of the fraction. Okay. Right. Then next one. 0.6 over 1.2. 0.6 over 1.2. Right. Let's first convert this into whole numbers. We want whole numbers, not decimals in the numerator and the denominator. So we'll multiply both the numerator and the denominator by what? 10. So we'll get what? 6 over 12. So this is easy, no? 6 over 12 is half, right? Because 6 can be written as 6 times 1. 12 can be written as 6 over 2. So you get the simplified form of the fraction, which is half. Right. Then let's look at the next one, which is 1.2 over 3.2. Again, we want whole numbers in the numerator and the denominator. So again, do the same thing we did for f. Multiply by 10 both the numerator and the denominator. So it becomes 12 over 32. Right. So now factor. 12 can be written as what? 3 times 4. 32 can be written as 8 times 4. Right. So then you can cancel 4. And we have the simplified form, which is what? 3 over 8. Right. Then the last one, let's see. Last one, 0.5 over 1.5. 0.5 over 1.5. So again, convert this into whole numbers. So multiply by 10. 1.5 into 10. So 5 over 15. So this is also easy, 5 can be written as 5 times 1. 15 can be written as 5 times 3. So the 5's cancel. So you get what? 1 over 3. Right. So this is the way you simplify fractions. Okay. Right. Okay. So this is by hand. So because calculators are allowed in your exams, you can use the calculator to do this also. Okay. So the two recommended calculators are Casio 991 EX model or 991 ES plus model. Right. In those two calculators, there's a button where you can convert decimals to fractions or fractions to decimals. So using that button, you can get the simplified form of a fraction. So let's do this question using the calculator also to see how to do that, right? So let's see, right? So part A of the question was what? We wanted to find 15 over 45, right? So 15 over 45. So here calculator will just simply give you what? The required answer. Here, can you see? There. That is 1 over 3. That's the simplified version. So we can use the calculator to get that very easily, right? Then what was the second question, which was 6 over 21? 6 over 21. Again, same process. 6 here, 21 here, 2 over 7, right? So you can use what? Your fraction button. Your calculator will have this button. Use that and write the fraction. 16 over 24 is part C. So 16 over 24. 2 over 3, right? Next one is 14 over 21. 14 over 21. Again 2 over 3. Right. So the method is clear now. We can do decimals also here. 0.6 over 1.2. It will give you the simplified fraction. Right. So you can do this question using the calculator also. Right. Know both methods, calculator and without calculator, like we did. So right. Okay. Now, okay. Next one is change in decimals to fractions. Right. So let's do this with calculator and without calculator. Right. So first one is what? 0.3. 0.3. So that is what? 3 over 10. This is 3 over 10. Then part B, 0.8. So this one you have to multiply by what? 0.8. So this is like 0.8. You can think of it as like a fraction. This is 0.8 over 1. So then to convert this into what? Whole numbers, you have to multiply by what? Both the numerator and the denominator by 10. Right? So then it becomes what? 8 over 10. Simplify, which is what? 4 into 10, 4 into 2, and then 5 into 2. So simplified form of the fraction is 4 over 5. Then part C, similarly 0.25. Think of it as a fraction, which is 0.25 over 1. So convert both the numerator and the denominator to whole numbers. So then I have to multiply the numerator by what? 100. No? 2 decimal places mean I have to multiply by 100. So 1 over 100. 1 times 100. So then 25 over 100. How many 25 is in 100? 4, no? So 4 times 25. So you can do what? You can cut the common part and you get what? 1 over 4 as the answer, right? Then part D, 0.025. So 3 decimal places means what? I have to multiply by what? By 1000, both the numerator and the denominator. So then you get what? 25 over 1000. So 5 times 5, 5 times 200. So then I can cancel one of the 5s. Then again simplify until you don't have common factors. 5 over 200. So 200 can be written as 5 times 40. So again I can cancel the 5s. So what's the answer? 1 over 40. Right. Then let's look at the next one. Same thing, 0.35. How many decimal places? 2, no? So then you have to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by how many? 100. 0.35 times 100 over 100. So 35 over 100. Now simplify that fraction. So 35 is what? 7 times 5. 100 is what? 20 times 5. Right. So then I can cancel the 5s. So 7 over 20. Can we simplify it further? No. Right. Yes. So this is the simplified form. Right. Then let's look at the next one. 0.375. So we have how many decimal places? 3. 1, 2, 3. So 1000. We multiply by 1000 then. 0.375 times 1000 over 1000. Right. So you get what? 375 over 1000. Right. Let's try to simplify this. So we can do what? As right as multiples of 5. So using the calculator, find 375 over 5. So that will give you what? 115, right? Then 1000 can be written as 5 into 200. Now I can cancel 5s, right? So I am left with 115 over 200. This also, both numbers are multiples of 5, no? So 5 into 23 and 5 into 40. So again cancel the 5s. Then what do we have? We have 23 over 40. Does this have any common factors? No. 23 you can't do anything. Yes. So this is the simplest form. Right. Then let's do the last two also. G. What is G? 0.01. So 0.01 into 100 divided by 100. So 1 over 100, right? That's the simplified form. Right. Last one, 0.04. So similar to what we did here for 0.01. Multiply by numerator by 100, denominator by 100. So this turns into 4 over 100, which is what? 2 over 50 or 1 over 25. Right. So that's how you convert decimals to fractions by hand. Right. This also can be done using the calculator. Okay. So if the question doesn't specify anything about not using a calculator, always use the calculator to do these types of questions, right? So let's see the calculator method. So right, let's clear this. So write the decimal 0.3, right? the calculator will automatically give you what? The fraction form 3/10. If it doesn't give it, just use this button S here 0.3. Now it is in decimal form. Now when you press it, you can get the simplified fraction form, right? So you use this button SD button, this one, right? Okay, so then let's do a couple of more examples. So we had 0.01 there, 1/100. Let's do another one. What else did we have? 0.375, 3/8, right? Right, so then let's see. So then, right, 0.375 was what? 3/8. So I did a mistake when I did the calculation then. Let's see. What's the mistake here? I got 23/40, no? So that is wrong. So what's the mistake I made? This one. This is not correct. 375 is not 5 into 115. It's 5 into what? 5 into 75, no? 5 into 75. Yes, that's the mistake. So here then 75. Right. Then 5 into 15. 5 into 40. 5 is cancel. 15/40. Then 5 into 3. 8 into 5. 5's cancel. Yeah. 3/8. Like the calculator. Right. Okay. So know both methods. How to do it using hand and calculator. Right. Okay. Next topic is we want to know how to change fractions to decimals. So you can use long division or calculator. Just use the calculator. Half is what? 0.5. 2/5 is what? 0.4. So just use your calculator. Go to the calculator. 2 divided by 5. 0.4. Like that. Next one is what? 7/10. 7 divided by 10, which is what? 0.7. Right. So similarly, using the calculator, get the rest of the answers. 5/8, which is going to be what? Let's see. Or you can use long division also. No need to do that because we can use the calculator. So 0.625. 0.625. Part E is what? 3/40. This is what? This is going to be, it's clear, 3/40. 0.075. 0.075. Then the next one, 7/20, which is what? 35/100. So 0.35. Next one, 5/16. That one, let's check with the calculator. 5 divided by 16. 0.3125. 0.3125. Then last one, 5/200. This one we can do by hand. 25/1000. So then 0.025, right? So either use long division, or the easy method is just use the calculator to change the decimals, change these fractions to decimals, right? Okay, right. Then the next topic under numbers is improper fractions and mixed numbers, right? What is an improper fraction? Improper fraction is a fraction where numerator is larger than the denominator. So any fraction where the numerator value is larger than the denominator value is called improper fraction. So for example, 8 over 3, 100 over 55, so something like that. Another one, 21 over 6. So those are improper fractions, right? Then what is a mixed number? Mixed number is a number that has a whole number part. So it has a whole number part and a proper fraction part. Proper fraction part, right? So proper fraction is a fraction where the denominator is larger than the numerator. Okay, right? So mixed number has a whole number part and a proper fraction part. So for example, numbers like these, 2 and 1/5. So the whole number is this. Whole number is 2. Whole number is 2. Fraction, or the fractional proper fraction part is 1/5. So this is 2 and 1/5, right? So then let's do another example. 3 and let's say 2/7. 3 and 2/7. So in this one, whole number is 3. Whole number is the 3 and the fraction part is the 2/7. So this is a mixed number. Okay, so this is same as 3 plus 2/7. This is equal to that mixed number, whole number plus the fraction part. And this you can write in this shorthand notation, 3 and 2/7, right? So now we know what is improper fractions and mixed numbers. Now we should know how to go from improper fraction to mixed number, and from a mixed number to improper fraction next. Okay, so let's look at how to do those, right? So in this question number 4, you are given improper fractions. All of these are improper fractions. You have to convert them into a mixed number. So let's see how to do that. Right, let's look at the first one, 13 over 3. Right, so this is how you do this. You have to find the whole number part. Remember, mixed number has a whole number part and a fraction part, right? So we use long division. 13 divided by 3. So how many 3's inside of 13? You have 4, no? 12, then 1, right? Okay, so now we can write the mixed number form. So once we found this one, this number, that is the quotient, no? Quotient is the whole number part of the mixed number. This is called the quotient. No? This is the whole number part. Whole number part of the mixed number. Then this number below here, which is the remainder, right? That's the remainder. No? That is the what? That is the numerator of the fraction. That is the numerator of the fraction. Okay, that is the numerator of the fraction, and this divisor, that is the denominator. So it's the same denominator as the mixed number, sorry, improper fraction, the same, right? So now we can write this. So 13 over 3 can be written as what? Whole number part is what? 4. 4 numerator is what? 1. The remainder over the same original denominator. So 13 over 3 is same as 4 and 1/3. Okay. So that's how you get it. So this number quotient is the whole number part. Remainder you get when you divide 13 by 3, which is 1, is the numerator number, and the denominator is the same as the original, right? So you don't need to always use long division. You can do it in your mind and get it quickly. So let's look at 15 over 4. So how many 4's inside of 15? 3, right? So we'll quickly do the long division. You have 3, no? 3 times 4 is 12. So the remainder is 3, right? So then the whole number part is what? This one. Whole number is 3. Whole number is 3. Then the numerator is the remainder, which is 3. And the denominator is the same as the original. So you get the what? Mixed number. Mixed number is 3 and 3/4. That gives you 15 over 4, right? So similarly, we'll do the rest. 17 over 7. So figure out how many 7's inside of 17. 2, no? When you divide 2 times 17, 4. So remainder is 3. So whole number part is 2. Numerator is 3, which is the remainder, over the original denominator. So 17 over 7 is same as 2 and 3/7. Right. Then next one, 15 over 8. So divide 15 over 8. Only 1/8 inside of 15. So quotient is 1. 1 into 8 is 8. Remainder is 7. So 1 is the whole number. 1 is the whole number. Numerator is the remainder, which is 7, over the same denominator as the original. So 15 over 8 is what? 1 and 7/8. Right. So we are done with those 4. Now let's do next one. Next one is what? 11 over 5. 11 over 5. So do the long division. You have 2 5's inside of 11, or 2 times 5, 10. Remainder is 1. So whole number is 2. Numerator is the remainder 1. And the denominator is 5. So that's the answer. Right. Next one. So let's see. What's the next one? 23 over 9. 23 over 9. So 23 over 9. How many 9's inside of 23? 2. So 2 into 9 is 18. 18. 23 minus 18 is 5. Right. So quotient is our whole number part of the mixed number, which is 2. Which is 2. numerator is always the remainder, which is 5 over the divisor, which is the denominator, right? So there's the answer for this one, right? Next one, let's do next one. 19 over 4, same method. How many 4s inside of 19? 4, right? 4 into 4, 16. 19 minus 16, 3. So whole number is 4. Numerator is the remainder 3 divided by 4, right? And the last one, let's look at the last one. Last one is what? 24 over 7. 24 over 7. 24 over 7. So again, do the long division. How many 7s inside of 24? 3. So 3 into 7, 21. 21, 24 minus 21 is 3. Right. So whole number is 3. Remainder is 3, means numerator is 3 over 7. So 24 over 7 is 3 and 3 sevenths. Right. So that's how you convert improper fractions into mixed numbers. Right. So then next thing we need to know is how to change mixed numbers into improper fractions. So this is the reverse of what we did in previous question. Now we have the mixed number. Now we want to convert that into what? Convert that into a improper fraction, right? So this is how you do it. You multiply the whole number by the denominator. So 3 into 4. 3 into 4. Then to that you add the numerator part. So numerator is 2 now. You add that to the product. 3 times 4. You add the numerator and keep the same denominator. Now simplify the numerator. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 plus 2 over 3. So 14 over 3 is the what? The improper fraction of this mixed number. So remember the method. First step is what? Multiply the whole number by the denominator. So 3 into 4. Then you get a number, no? Which is what? 12. So write it here in the numerator. Then add the numerator to that number. So that product plus 2, that product plus the numerator is the new numerator that is divided by the same denominator. So then simplify and you get the improper fraction, right? So let's do the next one. So first step is what? Multiply the whole number by the denominator. So 2 times 3, which gives you what? 6. And to that add the numerator, so which is 1. So that gives you the new numerator value that is going to be over the old denominator. So 6 plus 1 over 3. So 7 over 3, right? So similarly try the rest. So next one, same process. Okay, same process. Remember, what's the first step? This denominator times the whole number, multiplication, get a product, and to that add the numerator value. Add. So what do we have? We have 2 times 5 plus 2 over 5. So 10 plus 2 over 5, which is 12 over 5. So that is the improper fraction, right? Next one, 5 and 6/7. So first I need to do what? Multiply these two, right? 7 into 5. Then to that I add the numerator value, which is 6, over the same denominator 7. So 35 plus 6 over 7, which is 41 over 7, right? Okay, so then next one. So you guys try this, pause the video and try them, then check the answer. Right, so again, first step is always multiply the denominator by the whole number, then add the numerator. So 7 times 6 plus 3 over 7, which gives me 42 plus 3 over 7. So 45 over 7. Right. Next one is what? 20 and 8/9. Right. So again, remember the steps. Multiply the denominator by the whole number, then add the numerator number to that. So 9 into 20 plus 8 over 9. So 188 over 9. Right. Then the next one, 2 and 4/7. So 7 times 2 plus 4 over 7. So 14 plus 4, which is 18 over 7. Right. Then the last one. Last one is 1 and 5/6. So 6 times 1 plus 5 over 6. So 11 over 6. Right. Okay. So that's how you convert mixed numbers into improper fractions, right? So you should know both directions, mixed number to improper fraction and improper fraction to mixed number, right? Okay, in the next lesson we'll be multiplying, dividing, adding and subtracting fractions, right? Okay, see you guys in the next lesson.